Hello students, in my previous video I have discussed the laws of exponent. Now today I am going to revise the laws of exponents and I am going to discuss the few questions based on laws of exponent which are given in exercise 13.2. So first law I have explained you that a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This law means that if the bases are same and the powers are different and multiplication sign is there, then you have to add the powers and you have to copy the base. Suppose 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 10, then answer would be 2 raised to 3 plus 10. You can write 2 raised to 13. Now rule number 2 is a raised to m upon a raised to n. Again the concept is same. Here the bases are same and powers are different, but on the place of multiplication sign here you can see the division sign. In the case of division you have to subtract the power a raised to m minus n. Suppose the example is given 5 raised to 10 upon 5 raised to 8. So this would be 5 raised to 10 minus 8. It means 5 raised to 2. Now next rule is if you are having a raised to m into b raised to m. Here you can see the bases are different but the powers are same. If the bases are different and powers are same and multiplication sign is there, then you have to multiply the bases a multiplied by b and you have to copy the power. Suppose 5 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. Here you can see power is same and bases are different, then you have to multiply the base, means 5 multiplied by 2 and copy the power 3. This would be 10 raised to 3. Now rule 4, a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Again this would be a divided by b raised to m. Like in the case of multiplication I have multiplied both the bases a and b. In the case of division, if the powers are same and the bases are different, you have to divide the bases and you have to copy the power. Suppose 5 raised to 6, 25 raised to 6, division sign, 5 raised to 6. Here you can see bases are different. Here is 25, here is 5. So you can write like this: 25 divided by 5 raised to 6 and 25 divided by 5 raised to 6. Now rule 4 is a raised to m raised to n. If you are having the multiple power, then you have to multiply the powers a raised to m into n. Suppose you are having 2 raised to 3 raised to 7, then this would be 2 raised to 3 into 7, 2 raised to 21. Now if you are having 3 raised to 3 raised to 2 raised to 4, if you are having 3 powers, again you have to apply the same concept. This is the base, you have to copy it and multiply all the 3 powers. 3 to the 6, 6 for the 24, 3 raised to 24. The last rule is rule 5. If you are having any base and the power is 0, then answer would be 1. Suppose 3 raised to 0, then answer would be 1. 4 raised to 0, then answer would be 1. So this was the explanation of all the rules which you have to use in exercise 13.2. Now I am going to discuss the questions of 13.2. First question is, using the laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. It means you have to apply the laws of exponent and you have to write your answer in the form of exponent. So first question is 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. Here you can see bases are same and powers are different and multiplication sign is there. So you can apply this law. a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This law you have to apply here. So here you can see 3 bases are there, then you have to copy the 3 base. It means 3, and you have to add all the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. This would be 3 raised to 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. So this would be the answer. Now if I am talking about fourth part is 7 raised to x into 7 raised to 2. Again you have to apply the same law. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Why? Because the bases are same and powers are different and multiplication sign is there. That's why you have to apply this law. Now this would be 7 raised to x plus 2. So this would be the answer. Now fifth question is 5 raised to 2 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 3. Now here you can see you have to apply the two laws of division, and you are having the multiple power. So first you have to apply this law, m into n. So you have to apply this law only in this. So this would be 5 raised to 2 into 3. This would be 5 raised to 6. Now in the place of 5 raised to 2 raised to 3, you can write 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3. I have simplified this. Now you can apply this law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this would be 5 raised to 6 minus 3. So 5 raised to 3. So this would be the answer. Now I am going to discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify and express each of the following in the exponential form. It is same like question number 1. You have to apply the laws of exponent in each and every question, and you have to simplify it, and you have to write your answer in the form of exponential. First question is 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. Now you can see 2 raised to 3 as it is, 3 raised to 4 as it is. Here you can see you can do the cutting. 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32. So 3 into, on the place of this 4 we don't have to write as we have simplified it. So 3 into 8. Now you can see 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 upon 3 into, on the place of 8 you can write 2 raised to 3. How? Because when you do the prime factorization, you can write like this 8. So 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3. So I have written 2 raised to 3. Now you can see 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3. You can simplify it. So you now 3 raised to 4 upon 3. We can write 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 1. Now here you have to apply the law a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So you can write 3 raised to 4 minus 1. This would be 3 raised to 3. So like this you can solve the question number 2. Now I am going to discuss question number 2, 10th part. 10th part is a raised to 5 upon a raised to 3 multiply by a raised to 8. So first you have to solve this part as it is given in the bracket. So for this you have to apply this law. A raised to m upon a raised to n divided by is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this would be a raised to 5 minus 3 multiply by a raised to 8. This would be a raised to 5 minus 3, 2 into a raised to 8. Now here you can apply this law. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This law you have to apply in this. So you can write a raised to 2 plus 8. This would be a raised to 10. So this is the final answer. So likewise in today's homework you can complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 13.2 in the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.